Since the dawn of human time, humans have relied on plants for survival. In the process of investigating new food sources, humans have discovered plants that can nourish, plants that can kill, plants that can heal, and plants that can take one on a spiritual journey. As one might assume, there are a number of plants known to science, with over 80,000 in the Amazon jungle alone. We often associate plants with food, but over 80% of the world's population rely on botanical resources for their medical needs. Oftentimes, botanical knowledge will be passed down from generation to generation, creating culturally specific perspectives on the use of plants. Investigation of the cross-cultural use of plants has led to medical advances. And over a quarter of our modern pharmaceuticals owe their existence to phytochemistry. Phytochemicals discovered in arrow poisons have given us new muscle relaxants for surgery. Tropane alkaloids like those found in Datura and related species have given us new ways to dilate pupils. This has aided surgical procedures. The majority of plant species go unresearched, and 99% of all plant species represents an untapped potential for future medical advances. But there are threats to botanical diversity, such as wildfires, flooding, and deforestation. In many cases, agriculture contributes to deforestation, as does industrial development. And in many cases, climate change contributes to flooding and wildfires. The mass cultivation of useful crops poses a complicated problem. The cultivation of plants is necessary to sustain human existence and the ever-growing human population. Some experts have credited protected areas as helping to preserve biodiversity, and other conservationists, such as Mark Plotkin of the Amazon Conservation Team, have recommended regulations that would require enterprises involved with environmentally injurious practices to invest in environmental set-asides for the creation of and betterment of protected areas. One thing that cannot be overlooked is the importance of pollinators, which are facing many threats, including colony collapse and habitat loss from agricultural herbicides. Honeybee viruses, such as deformed wing virus, are just one of the many factors impacting colonies. One solution may come from a fungus that's been used for thousands of years as a fire-starting material, Fomes fomentarius, also known as the hoofs fungus or tinder fungus. Preliminary research shows that mycelial extracts of this fungus may aid in boosting honeybee immune systems. These mycelial extracts have been shown to increase survival rates amongst honeybees infected with viruses. But conservation of pollinators can actually begin in your own backyard. There's a variety of different flowers that one can plant in their own yard, and this will increase your property's aesthetic appeal. Some of these include milkweed, which is great to attract butterflies. In addition to supporting pollinating insects, a pollinator garden will also support hummingbirds. With so much beauty and potential, the importance of botanical diversity becomes clear.